So let's get started. So first of all, if you have opened your Google Chrome browser, just close it. So I'm going to close my Google Chrome browser and then go to the shortcut of your Google Chrome browser on your desktop. So just right click on this Google Chrome shortcut and then just click on properties. Okay, so just right click on the shortcut and then go to the properties, and here you will be able to see different tabs. What you need to do is you need to go to the tab which says shortcut, and here you can see target option here. So you will be able to see that here the path to the Google Chrome executable is given. So in the target, what you need to do is you need to just go to the end and then give a space here. So go to the end and then give a space and then just paste this text which I'm going to show you. So just write force dark mode. This text I'm going to give you in the description of the video also, so you can directly copy this text. So you can see here after the double quote I have given a space and then pasted this text here, okay, under target. So once you are done with this, just click on apply and then click on continue, and once you are done, just click on OK. So once you have finished this setting, just click on your Google Chrome shortcut here, and when your Google Chrome browser starts, you will be able to see that it will open in the dark mode. Now there is one caveat here, and that is, let's say I open YouTube here, and when I open YouTube or I open any website, you can see all the website opens in the light mode. So let's say you want the web pages also to look in the dark mode. So you can see all these web pages are in the white background. So this force dark mode option which we have provided in the properties is only going to change the browser theme and not the website's theme. Okay, so you can see the look and feel of the browser is dark themed, but when you open any website, it's going to open in its original form. So if you are okay with this setting, then it's okay. Otherwise, if you want to just change everything in your browser into the dark mode, then let me show you the other way of doing this. So for that, we will go to the default mode once again. So I'm going to just close my browser once again, and I'm going to remove that text which I have added. So right click and then go to the properties, and then just remove this force dark mode from the end. Just leave the double quote at the end and then click on apply and then continue and then click on OK, which is going to just change your Google Chrome mode into the default light mode. So when I open this Chrome once again, it's in the light mode. Now in order to change this Google Chrome permanently for all the website into dark mode, you can go to the web store. So just click on web store here. Otherwise you can just search for web store. So just write web store here and then click on enter, and then you will be able to see this Google Chrome web store, which is also going to give you this kind of website. So go to the web store either by clicking the button on your browser, or you can search for the web store, and here just search for the dark mode here. Okay, so just search for dark mode, and the first extension which you will see here will be this extension which says dark theme for Chrome, and it's offered by Kerry Blair. Okay, so I'm going to just click on add to Chrome button, which is going to add this extension to my Chrome, and then click on add extension. And once you click on the add extension, it's going to download a small file, and then it says thanks for downloading dark mode for Chrome, right? And you can see this small icon is created, right? So I'm going to just close this window, and now I will open any website. Let's say I will just search for YouTube once again, and you can see that this website opens in the dark mode, right? Now I am going to open the YouTube, and then it's also going to open YouTube in the dark mode. Okay, so this is how you can enable the dark mode for all the website on your Chrome browser. Okay, so if you want to enable dark mode for the browser, then go to the properties, and if you want to enable the dark mode for the website, then use this extension. So from here you can also change this mode. So when you click on this icon, then this website will go to the default theme, and when you click on this icon once again, it's going to the dark theme. Okay, so you can change the mode by just clicking on this button. So just you can see it switches the dark mode to light mode, right? And if you want both the mode for the Chrome browser and the website, you can just add this property at the end once again. So go to shortcut once again, and you know what to do. Just give a space and then add this force dark mode at the end. Click on apply, continue, and click OK, and then just restart your browser once again. And once your browser restarts, it's going to open the browser in the dark mode, and it's going to open the websites in the dark mode, right? So this is how you can enable the dark mode for your Google Chrome browser.